Hello, today I'm going to be talking about the use of ChatGPT in Excel with the help of plugin called Numerous.ai. So in order for us to get started with this, first of all, we need to have that plugin enabled in our Excel. So as you could see, I'm using the Mac version of Excel. So for us to add that plugin, we should go over here, search button, and type add. As soon as I type add, the add-in comes up. So I'll click on that, and then from there I'll go to the store, and then on the search box I'll type Numerous.ai and hit enter. And as you could see, this is what we have. Since I have already added, I'm not going to add. There are a couple of steps involved in adding this plug-in, so you should be able to edit. So just wanted to make one note that this is a paid plug-in. I think it costs $80 to $90 per year. However, you still should be able to use the trial version, which is for 7 days. So once you have added this plugin, I'm closing it out. Over here, you will see that the icon for that plugin. So once you click on it, it gives you this pane on the right side of the screen, and it just shows you like things that you could do with this AI plugin. However, there are a lot of things involved here. We're not going to go too deep for now. However, we will use one of them, which is this one, num.write function. And here it just, once I clicked on it, it gives some of the explanations about that num.write function. So what I'm interested in is this. As you could see, I've already pre-populated this column and created two columns, one review and another one is response. So I went to Google and Googled some random restaurant and copied over a couple of reviews left by customers. So now let's say if you're a business owner, you don't want to, of course, manually type response to the reviews people leave for your business, since the time is one of the very valuable things in our lives, right? So in order to cut down that time that you spend for manually typing, you can make the use of ChatGPT in Excel, and this is how we're going to be using that function. So what I'll do, as any other function in Excel, I'll type equal, and then I will call that function for AI num.write. I'll click on it, and then I'll tell it what to do. It's similar in ChatGPT when you want to get some response from ChatGPT. So I'll tell write a 30 words short response to this review, same as, for example, owner would write to a customer. Right, I'll close it on double quotes, and I'll add this symbol to make sure that we could copy over this function to the rest of the reviews, and which column we want the ChatGPT to input the response to, A2, and then I'll close this parenthesis. I'll hit enter. 1 or 2 seconds, it should generate some response. As you could see, it automatically generated this response to this review. Now, if I want other reviews pre-populated with response, what I would do, I will take it and drag it down to the rest of the reviews. Give it 1 or 2 seconds. As you could see, voila, it updated the response to those reviews automatically. It generated response. So this is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to follow, like, and comment, and also ask any questions. Thank you.